You all asked tons of questions about this wig in my jean try on haul about a week ago, so I'm gonna give you guys the details right now. Hi guys, it's Naturally Mary here. Welcome back to my channel. Thank you for those who've been rocking with me for such a long time. And to all my newbies, hi guys. Welcome to the family. I love when you guys leave a comment letting me know that you stopped by and you decided to subscribe. You are awesome. Today's video is all about Rpgshow. This new unit that I'm wearing currently is all kinds of fire. You can tell by the lit color, like, look how beautiful this color is. I stated at the beginning of this year that I wanted to step out of my comfort zone, try different colors, and I was super excited when Rpgshow reached out to me. And when I saw this unit on the site, I said, you know what, let's just go for it. So let's get into the specs for this particular unit. This is an Ombre unit from Rpgshow, as I stated a minute ago. And it is in length 18, but although it's 18, guys, it is all kinds of long. It looks so long. Look how long that is. This unit is also in the yaki texture. I love the way it feels. The texture and everything is just glorious. This unit comes with 2 combs at the top and 1 at the bottom. It has a very natural and realistic hairline, as you can see. It looks great. You don't have to tweeze or anything. It's already done for you. The hairline along the sides as well as in the back looks good. This is a full lace, so you can part it anywhere in the front or in the back. The back looks great. You would just need to cut the lace off in the back, and I did that. This is what the hair looks like out of the package. I did have to straighten it later in the video. I just love the texture and how it feels. If someone were to touch your hair or be standing behind you, they'd actually think this is your hair because the texture matches our Black or African American texture so well. The color of this unit is ombre, and it has black that transitions into this chocolate brown, which looks so good against my skin tone. This unit is in density 150, I believe. The cap size that I selected is size 1 with a circumference of 21.5 to 22, which is pretty average. This is also a glueless full lace unit, so you can part it anywhere. Let me just show you guys the parting. So you can part it here. You could part it in the back to do some styles. And if you wanted to put it up, although this is not a 360, I showed in my last video how you can actually put a unit up that is a full lace and have it blend so well with your hair and look like it's coming out of your scalp just by using hairpins. Or you can sew on some combs, some additional combs in the back. But this unit is pretty snug with the size that I selected. So I don't even think that I would necessarily need that. It literally doesn't have any space from the unit and my scalp. So it's very close. So I wouldn't even necessarily need that method because this unit fits my head so well. There's no space here. So you could definitely put this one up. You could wear it down in a number of different styles. Just have fun with it, guys. The summer is coming and I'm going to be, some of you guys always say to me, your natural hair is so great. You don't need wigs. Guys, I don't, but I love wigs. Yeah, but you know, just enjoy life. Switch up your looks, have fun with hair. That's what I love doing. Whether it be switching up the color, switching up the length, the style. I'm gonna be doing all of that, guys. And I will still rock my natural hair. It's fine. Right now I'm gonna show you guys how I installed the unit. I merely used Got2b glue, which is a method that I've used in the past like a million times. So I just put the Got2b glue along the parameter. I didn't even do the full stocking cap method where I cut the stocking cap and do all that extra, because I want to show you guys that you don't actually have to do a ton of work. So I literally just laid the Got2b glue along the parameter of the stocking cap. And then I proceeded to, after it was tacky and I used my blow dryer on the cool setting, I just allowed for it to dry for a bit. And then while it was drying, I started straightening the hair because I love multitasking. I can't just sit still and just do one thing. So I ended up straightening the hair throughout that process. And you want to be sure that when you are pulling it forward, that where the ear tabs are, that they are aligned. The part that's in it, when it comes, you don't actually have to keep that part, but you just want to make sure that it's lined up appropriately. So just adjust it so that the ear tabs are positioned the right way and you have the cutoff area right before the ears. So I just pulled it forward once it was tacky, and then I proceeded to use my handy dandy rat tail comb to press down into the lace, and also my fingers, just to make sure it was secure. After doing that, I used my elastic band, tied that around, and pretty much just sprayed some aloe vera juice, and these are the results. That was so weird. I didn't even do it right. Ooh. The knots on this particular unit did not come bleached, but you can do that yourself. I opted not to. I did the alternative method with the Sally Hansen airbrush legs, and this has been my holy grail. This, or either just regular liquid foundation. I applied that to the lace on the opposite side and just stippled it on, and then I followed it up with the Got2b glue. So what I actually did was I sprayed it onto, and I don't even see my brush. So I just sprayed the Sally Hansen airbrush legs onto a foundation brush, and then I followed it up to lock in the actual product that was on this particular brush with the Got2b glue free spray. And I'm sorry, my container looks horrible, but then I proceeded to stipple it onto the lace, and this is just going to help for it to stay on the lace. So if you just spray the airbrush legs onto the lace, there's a chance that there might be some transfer, but if you follow it up with the Got2b glue, then it should actually stick to the lace and you shouldn't have anything coming off. I decide to do that later, but yeah guys, I'm loving everything about this unit. Let me show you guys what a middle part would look like. Look how nice that part looks. It looks so natural, and only using the Sally Hansen. So you can wear it with the part in the middle. I don't even want to bring it all the way to the middle because I don't want to mess up the part that I have. So this is the middle part partially. And those flyaways, just use a flyaway tamer. But you can see the parting looks really good on this unit. I usually don't even wear my hair parted on this side, and I actually like it, surprisingly. So that's pretty cool. Kind of got me out of my comfort zone, shifting my part. You can kind of do a little lift at the top if you want it. This unit is 100% Remy. The lace color for the unit is in medium brown. You can get the color of the hair in a number of different colors. Nothing too extravagant though. The most, I think, like bold color is this one. The others are like just regular 1 or 1B, and I believe color number 2. But this one I feel like is fabulous. But I think it's cool that you can get it in other colors. You can get a unit that's already a really vibrant color and you not have to put in all that extra work. I say go for that, because I've tried to dye hair and achieve this color and it did not turn out that well, y'all. This color is all kinds of beautiful. Rpgshow did their thing. This color is so fierce. Alright guys, so that's the end of this video. I hope you guys enjoyed seeing me transform and try a different color and also a different look. I mostly do curly, but I'm always excited when I can try some straight hair, and also straight hair that's easy to install. And I just love how the unit turned out. I merely just flat ironed the hair and it's ready to go. I'm ready for a date night or something. Come on, Gerard, like, what are you doing? All right guys, so leave a comment, like, and also subscribe if you haven't already. I will see you guys in my next video.